Still downtown Bill Street. Had a couple of tours there. How you doing, sir? Nice meeting you. And we're just kind of hanging out here. Couple of tours going down there. See what we got. Oh, there's Miss Marina. Oh no, she turned around. Oh no. I see you now. Marina. I think she's really getting sick of me right now, so I wish this guy would go away. Kamusta? Nah.
Wow,
Nah.